All right, guys, we've got the JVIBI dog stairs for high beds and couches. This is a great three-step memory foam thing for dogs and cats to be able to get up and down off of a bed or couch or chair. I wanted to show you how it comes. Basically, what it comes with is this is the tightly sealed foam. And what you do is you cut it open, and then over the course of 12 to 24 hours, it will kind of get its shape. And so what we're doing now is I just wanted to show you how it arrives. And now that I've cut it open, it's going to begin that process of unpacking. And so I'm just shooting the first part of the video now, and then later, in about 24 hours, I'll shoot the second part. So this is gonna need about 24 hours to take its full shape, and that's that. So this is actually the cover for it, that once it's shaped, we will just zip it on, which makes it easy to take off and wash if you need to as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut to it being fully shaped, and then we're going to put this on and we're going to show you how it works for my part. All right, guys, so we got it all set up. We gave it about 24 hours for the foam to fully kind of like, relax out. It's fully formed, and basically this thing unzips all the way around, which actually once you get it, it makes it pretty easy to take on and off. And the cool thing is if you need to wash it, you can. Super lightweight, but also like almost like it's a durable looking, like it feels like it belongs in your living room. Peters. So we've been working with my buddy here to do this, and come on. So definitely if your dog's doing this for the first time, use positive reinforcement and treats, and you may need a lot of patience because you don't want to negatively reinforce anything. It could scare them away from it. Ultimately, hey, Pate, come here. Ultimately, once they get the hang of it, it's super easy to use. And this really helps. I mean, if you've got some dogs with like arthritis or they just don't jump, this is gonna not only help them do it, it's gonna elevate their vibe. It's gonna make them feel more independent and more empowered as a pet. They're gonna feel better about themselves, and you're gonna feel better about yourself if you get this.